Okay, listen up, parents. If you want your kids to be away from devices and the gaming for a few moments of their day, I would highly recommend this AmScope microscope at 20x. It costs just around $50 or less if you're finding it online. And it's an upgrade from one of those toy kits that you'll find at department stores. This one has glass lenses, and that's rare at this grade. Generally, it's plastic, but the movement's good, the optics are fair, and it's powered by two AA batteries. That's all. Push a button, lights up. Now, this light could be maybe brighter. Maybe I could upgrade this light bulb, but for what it is, it'll get the job done. You'll be able to see leaves, plenty of bugs. They love that. Quarter here. You got coins, rocks, various things. Easy to use. Now, ideal for elementary students. You're going to see microscopes out there that are like 100x, meaning 100x magnification. But for kids under the age of, 12, this scanning microscope is going to be a wider field, wider views, and sufficient, I think. So I give this a thumbs up. Now, generally, like I said, it is a bit plasticky, but portable. You could take this outside, keep the bugs outdoors, and generally they'll have fun for a few minutes away from the games. So give it a try. It's worth it. Thanks.